Right, so here's the remote control for my car, which has been playing up a bit recently. It's been a bit hard to actually get to work. Now it's probably due for a clean. I've found in the past that the buttons have a tendency to gunk up from the rubber. Let's get this out of here. So what tends to happen is you get gunk on these buttons and it tends to work its way into the switch. So you get gunk on here and it works its way in and it tends to make them not work very well. So you can see this one here has got lots of it on there. Right, same as this one here, all green. So all this needs to come off. Give it a good flush and we'll see how that goes. It's this stuff here which makes the things a bit erratic. We'll flush it with IPA, we'll see if that improves things. Also check the battery as well. It's been a while since the battery's been changed, so it's probably a bit low as well, which isn't helping. If anyone's got a remote control which is playing up, you might find this useful. So this is just some isopropyl alcohol, and we'll just soak the buttons and then work them a little bit. Because it's not actually clicking, it feels like soft. It's got so much gunk in there, it's not actually clicking. This one's, there you go, that one's completely stuck. This one's clicking now. But yeah, it all just gunked up and yuck. Let's just give us a bit of a brush off of that as well. Try and get the gunk off them rather than into them. Because it does kind of work its way out the top when you move them around. It gets pushed out. So it's take a little while, we're messing around. Alright, so you can still see a bit of green oozing out, a bit of gunk's getting pushed out. See? And it's just off the back of this. Could be a bit of moisture in there and it's corroded slightly, it's also possible. These are never 100% waterproof. But I do know that the rubber does tend to wear away and it gets its way into the switches. So I've had to do this before and I've found it's made a huge difference to how well they've worked, which is why I'm doing this now. This gets all stuck in there. I could probably drop this board into an ultrasonic cleaner and try and flush it out that way. It'd probably be more effective than what I'm doing right now. I know this way works for me. Let's see if I can get anything out like this. You can see some more coming out there. Just in case it's working away, let's gradually flush it out. Still some green coming up. So it's still coming out. That clicks. That clicks. That clicks. And that clicks. So before they weren't clicking properly either, so that's made a difference already. That may even be good enough. You can see how much crap I got out of them. Let's just check the battery. It may still be fine. I mean, I don't get a lot of use, but button cell barely okay. Dropping down to the red, so yeah, I think I'll probably replace that as well, just to be sure. I do have some. Whether they're any good or not, I don't know. They've been sitting there for a while. It's like only marginally better, just above the line. That one's dropping more, so it's on the line there. Yeah, slightly better. We'll put that one in. And a bit of luck that'll behave a little bit better. I won't bore you with putting it back together again. Clean up the inside of this as well. Don't want the gunk left in the inside of the rubber. So that's all green bits here like that. So it is actually wearing away the buttons on the inside of the rubber here. It does look like some moisture in there too. This will dry out properly and I'll put it back together. So that should be fixed. Alright, so the motor's back together. I was going to try it just now on the car, and from about 30 feet away, locked and unlocked was fine, so much better. No problem, the button's playing up now. Also the range has improved a bit too because of the new battery. All good. Hope you found it helpful.